Good morning, Drone World. So our top story today, the first COVID-19 drone delivery program in the US was launched this week in North Carolina. UPS Flight Forward is now making COVID-19 vaccine deliveries via drone for the AHWFB Medical Center. They're using new cold chain packaging developed specifically for drones. UPS Drone Airline received first of its kind approval from the FAA to carry alkaline and lithium batteries, which are needed to power temperature monitoring devices required by the CDC for vaccine transport. The Telangana government in India has partnered with Marut Drones to launch a new drone-based afforestation campaign across the state. The drones will carry a cradle of seeds that will be dropped onto barren and empty forests. 50 lakh trees will be planted in about 12,000 hectares of land to create forests across the state under this new project. Minister of Urban Development of Telangana, Rama Rao, stated, being already at the forefront of using drones for new use cases, we are initiating our campaign to plant seeds in order to increase the forest areas across all districts of the state. And now on to COPTRZ news. We're happy to announce that the new COPTRZ Academy is live. The brand new e-learning platform is built to revolutionize the way you do your online training, coming alongside the new website that you can work through your modules seamlessly. It features a ton of CPD courses beyond training like finance, well-being, career progressions and more. If you're interested, head over to COPTRZAcademy.com and take a look. In other news, the date for our next GVC Classroom Course has been announced, and this will be running from the 19th of October with our head of training, Harry, with perks such as one-to-one coaching, face-to-face interactions with our trainers, and completion in just 3 days. Our classroom courses are the best way to get up in the air and operational. Get in contact with me for more information. My details will be in the description. Last on today's episode, we're introducing a new segment called Don't Be a Drone, where we cover the what not to do's of being a drone pilot. So last week, the World Cup qualifier between Austria and Moldova was delayed by someone flying a drone down to pitch level. The kickoff was pushed back by 15 minutes, but it didn't stop the Austrians securing a 2-0 victory away from home. It looks like this pilot could use some of our classroom training. Thank you for joining us on this week's Good Morning Drone World. Hit like on the video and join us next week to hear more on all things drone.